Hey guys, Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. So we've got something big from RoseCraft knives that we're going to unbox here right quick. And if you hear a chainsaw in the background, that's my neighbor. Sorry about that. I decided it was such a beautiful day. Wanted to come out here and do the unboxing out on my front porch. Using the NAF Lander 2 to do the honors. Let's see what Andy and the guys have sent to look at today. So it looks like it's going to be, whatever it is, it costs $69.99. Ooh. So let's check this out. RoseCraft sticker. That's right, folks. RoseCraft officially has fixed blades. I think this is their first offering. Really nice boxing. This is going to be the RoseCraft F4. Trying to do this. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah. Nice Tech-Lock clip. Kydex sheath. Let's see. Can I do it one-handed? Don't have it. Ah, look at there. Ooh. Oh, that's that is pretty nice, actually. Excuse me while I go through the whole. Okay. So looks like Hawkins Rose is the going to be the designer of this particular blade, and get you in there. It's going to be a 1095 carbon steel. I don't know, what would you call that? Like a spay blade, maybe? Really like spay blades. Oh, nice pop of yellow G10 there. Really nice micarta on the handle. And it fits my hand pretty nice. Got nice grippy jimping there on the spine. Good thick blade stock. Nice execution on the sharpening choil. Get your lanyard. Oh, the handles are removable. So if you want to change your handles up, really like that. Fits really nice. Yeah, this is the RoseCraft F4. Fixing to head off to the town. I think I might actually pop this bad boy on right quick and carry it for a couple of days, and then I'll finish this out with a review, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so fast forward a few days. I took and carried this just for a couple of days because I don't carry fixed blades. This guy is a little weighty. I mean, it's got a pretty good thickness to it. Let me get some measurements here of her. So try to frame that in there best I can. My lighting is horrible, guys. I've been working on getting that fixed. So, but yeah, this jimping right here feels really nice. Not a particularly pokey tip, but yeah. If you're looking for a good camp knife, this right here would be the way to go. That micarta's got a awesome texture. Nice. Very, very nice. Yellow G10 inlays on those liners. And there you go. 1095 carbon. I wish they would have left off the fact that, I mean, most of their knives, they just put a little sticker on it. This one, they actually printed it on the blade. But yeah, made in China. This is a Hawkins Rose design, 4-inch blade. And yeah, sure enough, 4-inch blade. It says it's 3.7 millimeter thick with full tang, of course, yes. And you do have Allen heads, so you could change out your scales. Yeah, this thing weighs in at 3.5 ounces. This, I'm just kind of going straight off of the website here with the information. But yeah, 3.55 ounces. This one is the RoseCraft F4 1095 carbon steel. This is a K-clip blade, is what they're calling this. I mean, I love the blade shape. I would like something like that in a folder, to be quite honest. Maybe not quite as tall. Got some swedging here. Let's see. This is a black powder coat finish on a 1095 high carbon steel. But there is no real tug or pull with that. I mean, that is pretty flippin' sharp for a chunky fixed blade. Again, this is part of their pass around, so I'm not going to be able to disassemble or anything else. But I might try to get me one of these, take these scales off, see if they're maybe some excess material, because I mean, if it's a little butt heavy, but not by much. But I have a feeling when I get mine, probably be able to lighten the load by maybe milling out some of that steel, take some of the weight off, make it more of a nice EDC. But I mean, if you like a knife with, I mean, it's only 3.5 ounces, so I guess it's not too bad. I mean, like my typical folder, well, the one I got today, I got the 20 CV Doug Ritter Hogue. I'm pretty sure this guy's about 3.5 ounces, so, and they're about the same. But yeah. Um, Also, this is filmed on the 1st. Um, Anybody that's going to be in Blade Show Atlanta this weekend, you can check these guys out. They will be in. Uh, they are going to be in booth 1620 in the main hall. That's booth 1620. Um, Swing by there, say hi to the guys, and check these out. I mean, for me, fixed blades are not a big thing, but I like the fidgetability of folders personally. But I mean, if you like a good fixed blade, I mean, I do feel this guy right here will serve you quite well. And the going rate on these is $69.99. You can check that out, RoseCraftBlades.com. I'll pop a link up down in the description, take you right to it. Um, I don't think, no, I don't get any sort of kickback or anything like that. So I mean, I have no discount codes, but um, you know, support an American designer. Can't say American made yet, but that is something that they're working on, the way I take it. But I mean, anybody that's been in this industry for any duration of time, I mean, come on, $69 for a fixed blade. That is, I mean, geez, it is quite the looker for the money. I mean, I would definitely have no qualms paying the asking price for this. Now on rosecraftblades.com, purchases over $95, you get free domestic shipping as well. I don't think I have any discount codes. Ooh, give me just a second. If I find any discount codes, I'll put them down in the description as well. That way we're not sitting here having to go over the whole rigmarole. But guys, oh yeah, it's got some nice retention to it too. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here, quit my babbling. I'm sure y'all got better things to do. But if you don't mind, please um, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your icons. Got a lot more coming. Also, I will be at Blade Show Atlanta myself, and hope to be putting out some more content from Blade Show. Peace.